So baby, why ya shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow? Oh, I'm on a good vibration. So whatever I am facing,